This infrared unit right here, this is the RY2X2 IR. Check this small machine out. There's really nothing like it in the industry. It's 2 feet by 2 feet, right? This machine applies to all kinds of different ways to make money for your business. Okay, check this out. This 2 foot by 2 foot section can be applied on top of an asphalt seam. So imagine you have an asphalt seam that's down the middle where there's 2 patches that are butting up against each other. Or let's say new pavement has been laid and then it's laid up against old pavement. They have a seam in the middle. If water gets into that seam, it erodes the foundation, causing further damage to the foundation, creating depressions and potholes, right? Because the asphalt can't support its weight. So what you do is with that seam, you park this machine on top of it. 7 minutes, you leave this machine running in one spot, a 2.5 inch deep press of heat goes into it that can be reworked. Imagine literally reworking a seam into itself, old asphalt and new asphalt, and then taking a vibrating plate and compacting it into each other, creating a seamless weld. Guys in the industry for seamless welding are charging $5 to $8 a linear foot to do that kind of welding. Think about the number of driveways that are out there. Think about the number of streets that are being repaved with those driveways off of the street, right? They repave those roads, they do the curbing along the side of the road, and guess what happens? The whole end of the driveway, what we call the footing of the driveway, is brand new asphalt, up against old asphalt up at the top. You've got a seam, right? Not just on that one driveway, but every single driveway on that street. So communicate with your municipalities, find out what roads are being repaved, and then go ahead and talk to that municipality and try to work out a deal where you can actually go do all the driveways on those streets, re-welding those seams, making money for your business, growing it quickly. Now, if you don't communicate with the municipalities, just realize you'll have to go door knocking and reach out to those clients and do that door to door, right? But the reality of it is, you can earn around $70 to $80 per seam on every driveway out there, right? Multiply that by 10, that's $800. This machine right here is retailing for $17.99 right now. $17.99. This machine is also incredible if you have drainage areas like sewers that are over on parking lots and there's been any drainage repairs. You can use this machine to heat up the welds, rework the asphalt, compact it back down, you have seamless welds. It's also great for baseball-sized potholes, right? If you have a baseball-sized pothole or you've got alligator cracking, go ahead and use that heater, reheat the surface, rework it, compact it, and you've got fresh asphalt. It's not all patchy looking, right? It's all blended together. So check out this infrared unit, ratedasphaltkingdom.com. We can't wait for you guys to get a hold of these machines and give us great feedback. We're looking forward to all feedback in the industry, always looking to move that needle forward. Thanks for checking us out at asphaltkingdom.com.